everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rachel Beatrice and we're gonna do a cover of Darating Din by TJ Monterde. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Ako'y maghihintay, tiwala sa gabay, pilito kong nakahakang sa aking pagdilat ay hawak ninyong kamay, kapit na panghabang buhay. Hindi ko ipagpapalit pagmamahal mo na saglit. Sa tamang panahon, darating din iyon. Ako naman ang pipiliin, kung di man ngayon, darating din iyon. Pag-ibig na mananatili, darating ka rin. Di ka man kasabay sa aking paglalakbay, magkarugtong ating daan. Ang tamang oras ay sa atin binibigay, magkaroon din ng saysay. Hindi ko ipagpapalit pagmamahal mo sa saglit. Sa tamang panahon, darating din iyon. Ako naman ang pipiliin, kung di man ngayon, darating din iyon. Pag-ibig na mananatili, darating ka rin. At kung di ko man maintindihan ngayon ang dahilan, ito'y may kahulugan. Ikaw ang kahulugan. Sa tamang panahon, darating din iyon. Ako naman ang ibigin, kung di man ngayon, darating din iyon. Pag-ibig na mananatili, darating ka rin. Dumating ka rin. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you do like, share, and subscribe. And please do comment down below any future video suggestions you would like me to upload soon. And don't forget to tag me on anything that is you're going to recreate on all my makeup looks. And also don't forget to tag me if you posted a cover of You Complete Me, my own song, and it's also available on all digital streaming platforms: YouTube Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and all digital streaming platforms. And don't forget to tag me on social media as well so I can repost it. And don't forget to do a cover also only if you want. you you complete me. There's also karaoke version on it on YouTube. So it's you just have to search You Complete Me by Rachel Beatrice. So don't forget to do that and tag me also, and thank you so much for watching again. God bless you all.